rifle. Oh, sorry. But did I get it? I don't know. Dudes, I got the Nerf rifle gun. Yeah, so today we're gonna unbox. See what's inside. Okay, so gonna use my hard stick trick. Let's show you. Just gonna have to. Oh god. I'm gonna have to. But yeah, it comes with the foam darts. With seven ball and whatever. And alright. Hold on, try to get the Nerf gun. See, and my dad are talking right now on this. Just don't mind what they're doing. Don't mind what they're doing. Alright, so there you go. There's the Nerf gun, right? Yep, that's the Nerf gun. So yeah, it comes with 7 darts. And with one of these clips and the Nerf gun. Yep, that's the Nerf gun. And now, boys and girls, just like I did, I'm about to go and take out some boys. Powerful. Got this at the Walmart from next to Costco. But anyway, smash the subscribe button and the link. And make sure you give me what I said in the message. Anyway, see you guys later, and bye-bye.